Your beliefs create your life. Your dominant belief system, your dominant mindset, is the foundation of your entire reality. So the better your mindset, the better your belief system, the better your overall reality. And in order to understand how important your belief system and mindset are, you have to understand how your subconscious mind works. So you have between 60 to 70,000 thoughts a day. And 95% of these thoughts are subconscious thoughts, are unconscious thoughts. Thoughts that you are not even aware that you're thinking because you're so accustomed to thinking them. And then the other 5% is like conscious thoughts, like the thoughts you deliberately thinking and putting inside your mind. And even better, 90% of the thoughts you have today are the same thoughts that you had yesterday. And since most of these thoughts are unconscious, you repeatedly have the same unconscious thoughts every single day, which means that you're basically running autopilot. You're running autopilot. You're running a certain program in your mind, and this program is determining the quality of your life, the quality of your reality, your ability to get your manifestation, your ability to create a wonderful life for yourself. Basically, your subconscious program, your mindset, this unconscious beliefs, which basically create your subconscious program, your mindset, these are creating your reality. And if you're not aware of what's going on inside your mind, it's pretty obvious that they're creating your reality by default. But does it have to be that way? Of course not. You can start creating your reality by design instead of creating your reality by default. You can command your subconscious mind. You can reprogram your subconscious mind. You can establish a new mindset, a new belief system, a mindset that actually serves you, a mindset that actually gives you the reality you deserve to have, the reality of your dreams, a mindset that is actually supporting you, your specific manifestation, and you harmonizing your entire life. It's totally possible for you to establish this kind of mindset. It's totally possible for you not to be doing everything on autopilot. Because if you're not conscious of what's going on inside your mind, you basically allow the society, your environment, other people, news, media, you allow those things to unconsciously program your subconscious mind. And since the mainstream media and mainstream society is usually just full of lag and limitation, you basically allow and welcome this lag and limitation in your reality by just allowing these unconscious thoughts to be in your mind. So it's really time to start analyzing your thoughts and your beliefs about certain aspects of your life, because this alone is going to tell you a lot about your dominant mindset and your dominant subconscious program. So just start asking yourself questions like, what are your beliefs about money? What are your beliefs about relationships? What are your beliefs about love? What are your beliefs about success and getting a career of your dreams? What are your beliefs about yourself? How do you perceive yourself? What is your self-image? Start asking yourself these questions. And the answer might surprise you. If you want, you can write down your answers and just look at them. Because when you dig deep, you will really discover all of those beliefs you have about those things that you probably weren't even aware that you had them. And it's all about digging deep and discovering your current beliefs. So you can reprogram them, you can rewrite them, you can let go of them, you can release them. You can actually establish something else, a set of beliefs that is actually going to support your reality and support your manifestations. Because your subconscious program, your mindset, this is not a tangible thing. This is not a tangible thing. You can reprogram your mind. You can establish a new program. Your subconscious mind is really obedient. Your subconscious mind is like a computer. Your subconscious mind just is listening to your conscious mind, and then it's absorbing certain beliefs, and the more it absorbs it, the more it essentially becomes a part of your subconscious program. So the main factor when it comes to reprogramming your subconscious mind is repetition of the new mindset, repetition of the new set of beliefs, repetition. You reprogram your subconscious mind through repetition of the new mindset. And that's why things like affirmations are so effective when it comes to reprogramming your subconscious mind. Because the more you repeat a certain affirmation, the more you allow your subconscious mind to actually absorb this affirmation and make it a part of your new program. So repeat your affirmations in your head. Repeat your affirmations out loud, when you're alone at home or when you're taking a shower or whatever, just repeat your affirmations out loud. Like, it's going to help you reprogram your subconscious mind. Also, look in the mirror and repeat your affirmations. It's also going to help you reprogram your subconscious mind. And you can also record your affirmations and start listening to your affirmations on repeat. Like, this is such a great tool to reprogram your subconscious mind. And you can even like create your own subliminals with your desired mindset, your desired affirmation, and then listen to them as you sleep. Again, it's gonna be like such a great way to reprogram your subconscious mind. So when it comes to reprogramming your subconscious mind, it's all about repeating this new mindset. It's all about repeating this new set of beliefs with this conscious awareness that through repetition, you establish a mindset that serves you, establish a subconscious program that serves you, establish a set of beliefs that serve you. And also, the other very good way to reprogram your subconscious mind is through emotions, because your subconscious mind is very susceptible to different emotions. So I always tell you that emotions are energy, that emotion is energy, emotion. And this energy actually like affects every single aspect of your reality, because essentially you create with your energy. And even like establishing a new subconscious program, you're basically just like prompting yourself for feeling new feelings, because new beliefs will lead to new feelings, and these new feelings will allow you to just like start aligning with different possibilities, with better timelines, with better possibilities in an infinite quantum field of potential, right? But actually, the combination of repeating new mindset, of repeating your affirmations and feeling your affirmations at the same time, feeling like you already have this amazing abundant reality, feeling like you already are the person you want to become, feeling like you already are surrounded by love, feeling like you're already successful, like it's just going to have so much effect on your subconscious mind. Because whenever you repeat like your new affirmation, your new belief system, and you engage emotionally with it, like your subconscious mind really starts to think, is the current reality. Like, this is a fun fact about your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind can tell the difference between the reality you're vividly imagining and feeling and like affirming and the actual reality. So like, the more you feel like you're already in your new reality, the more you allow yourself to fantasize and daydream, like the more you convince your subconscious mind that yes, you're already an abundant person, yes, you're already in a relationship, yes, you're already successful, yes, you're already living your dream life, you're already living your dream reality. Like, basically, feelings allow you to kind of like trick your subconscious mind into believing that the event you want to experience is already happening in the here and now, because essentially like time is an illusion, and we know it from quantum physics. Time is a concept, time doesn't really exist, time is an illusion, and the only moment that ever exists is the present moment. And in the present moment, every single possibility already exists as a quantum potential, and all you have to do is tune into this quantum potential through your energy. And when you're feeling these emotions, like when you're repeating your new mindset, and when you're feeling these emotions, like you start broadcasting a new type of energy, and this new type of energy is actually going to shift you into your desired reality. Also, the act of like closing your eyes and like visualizing your desired outcome, it also helps you to reprogram your subconscious mind. It also helps you to convince your subconscious mind that you are living in a different reality. So the more vividly like you feel something and you imagine something, or like maybe you're more into like hearing things or touching things during your visualization, like or just, it's up to you. Like, every person is different. Maybe you're into like smelling things during your visualization, like maybe you're about like touching or hearing, like whatever it is, just connect with it emotions, and your subconscious mind is going to be convinced that it is the current reality. So these are very free, effective ways to reprogram subconscious mind: visualizing your desired outcome, affirming your desired outcome, and feeling your desired outcome. Like, these three ways to reprogram your subconscious mind are really going to help you to establish a wonderful new reality for yourself, are going to help you to establish the reality you actually want to experience, the reality of your dreams, because it always starts inside you. Your inner world is the blueprint for your outer world. So I hope this is helpful, and I hope that right now you understand that you can create a new mindset, you can create a new subconscious program, you can establish a new set of beliefs in your subconscious mind the set of beliefs that is actually serving you and contributing to the reality of your dreams. And you certainly don't have to allow your mindset to run on autopilot in your subconscious mind. You can deliberately choose your beliefs. You can deliberately establish the kind of beliefs that are going to serve you. So analyze your current belief system and then just start rewriting it. Start reprogramming your mind. Start brainwashing yourself for the reality you want to experience. Start brainwashing yourself for the magnificent, amazing life. Because it always starts inside you. And once you just harmonize your inner world, your entire reality just follows suit. And you just get so much improvement in your circumstances, and you become a magnet for wonderful things and people and circumstances, and you start attracting all of the synchronicities, all of these magical things. And it all starts with harmonizing your inner world. So your inner world is the blueprint for your outer world. And when you harmonize your inner world, you harmonize the entire reality in such a positive way. If it resonated with you in any way whatsoever, please give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thank you for being here. Thank you for connecting. Thank you for listening.